From the top of the charts to the depths of the underground, bass is the meat of a modern sound. While you can get away with using sample packs for other aspects, you're going to have a hard time standing out from the competition without the life-changing bass sound design and mixing knowledge contained in this course. Sample pack companies know this, so every pack is marketed as a magic bullet that will take you straight to number one. But if you've ever tried them out, you'll quickly find that even the best samples and presets still need a little extra something to hit how you want them to. This course is that extra something. Why? The ill methodology bass sound design was 4 years in the making and represents a complete top-to-bottom solution for both beginners and expert producers alike. Yes, there are excellent presets and mixing racks that will bring you massive improvements today, but there are also comprehensive tutorials that clearly explain why it all works so well. There are sessions on sound design, mixing, resampling, music history, sound physics, and even a complete synthesis course that teaches how all popular synthesis methods can best be used to make bass. Whether you're a singer-songwriter looking to make better demos or a bass music specialist looking to blow people's hair back on 150,000 watts, this course is your one-stop shop for all things bass. I'm confident you will use the sounds, racks, and knowledge from this course in every single song you ever make for the rest of your musical life. If you care about your bass, there is no better investment than the ill methodology bass sound design. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. But don't take my word for it. Have a listen to bass sound design in action.
Ice cream.